As you can see, today I am out of the building with a sub. I have a child who's sick, but I wanted to make a quick little video to kind of give you a rundown of what you will be working on today. So in Science and Technology, yesterday we finished up our assignment, Introduction to Engineering. So if you haven't got that turned in right now, you'll have to do that on your spare time to get that in for points. And we are beginning our first day of our STEM invention investigation presentation. So, in this assignment, as we go through to open this up, and as you see, here's some instructions for you, English and Spanish. We open this document up, and it brings us to this. So, invention investigation presentation. You're going to research an invention of your choice for this presentation. You may use Google Slides or Canva for your presentation model. You will share your presentation with me. So remember, you're going to hit that share button, and then you're going to copy and paste a link up here, that link address, to the bottom of this document in the box below. You will use the information below to create your slides. Do not add slides together. So I have 10 slides. I need 10 slides. I'm expecting 10 slides, like I said, so I need 10 slides. Do not try and put a bunch together to shorten your slide presentation. Use the following link to choose an invention. So I have added a link there below for inventions for you guys to go through, or you can just Google your own type of inventions if you want to. So after you've chosen your invention, and this is important with the sub today, I need you to pick an invention of your choice. Now, it is first come, first serve. We are not going to double up on inventions. So if someone already took the invention you wanted, unfortunately, you're going to have to pick something else. So you need to pick something that nobody else in the class has picked. So once you know what that is, go up to the sub, say, my name is so-and-so, and I would like to do mine over the car. And if nobody took any automobiles, then you can get that. If someone already took it, you need to go find something else. So that link right there will help you out. And it's a pretty good link that gives you some basic information already, which can help you with your slides. So go through that. Make sure your invention is school appropriate as always. And let's look at the format real quick. So obviously, first slide is your name, the title of the class, PLTW, and the name of the invention with a picture. Now, on some of these, you will have to have a picture. Slide 2 is the picture of the original invention and the inventor. So try and find the first known picture of your invention and who invented it. Include the year it was invented, a description of the inventor, where are they from, who are the inventor, where are they from, and then other notable inventions if they are responsible for any. If they're not, don't worry about it. If you can't find an original inventor, you may include the name of maybe there's a company or a hospital that invented your invention. But if you can't find a person, try and locate the company that did it. Slide number 3. What problem did the invention solve in society? Usually every invention was invented for some reason. You're going to tell me why it was yours, describe the problem, and how they came up with the solution through the invention. Slide number 4. Is this invention a need or a want? And then you just tell me, is it a need or a want? And then you need to defend your answer. Now, if you look at slides 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, they all say the same thing. So what this looks like is from slides 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you are going to show me every 5 different types of innovations that your topic has gone through. You've already talked about the original one, but by now, in 2024, your invention should have gone through 5 different types of innovations, okay? So you're going to have to really take some time to research what those look like. On those slides, all I need is a year and a picture of that new innovation. I don't need a description because when you do your presentation on WeVideo, you can just talk about it there. And then finally on slide 10 is just a conclusion. Describe how the invention has impacted today's society and world and give a description of its benefit. So those are 10 slides. There's where you're going to copy and paste your link below. And I pulled up an example from first quarter of one of the students that did this. So let me give you a quick example. And here this is. So if we just open this up, let's go to presentation mode. And as you can see, this is the roller coaster. This was Faith in first quarter. So she talked about the invention of the roller coaster. Here's our first design. She's identified the person. She's got the original picture and that person, and she kind of gives a quick description of it. Here's the solution, the problem it solved. So as you can see, she gives what problem was there and how did it solve it. Here's a need or a want. Faith described it as a want, and she defends her answer. And then now we get to our innovations. Here's what I talked about. So in 1884, first roller coaster. Then she talks about the next type of roller coaster that came out in 1900. 1980, we get this innovation. It looks like she's showing how it twists and turns now. And then our today roller coaster, it does the twist and turn and the loop all together. So she does a good job giving innovations, and just the picture explains it itself. So that's all you need to do when you're doing yours presentation. And then finally, there's our impact. How does it impact today's society? That's all we're looking for. And then when you get those 10 slides done, you're going to go over to WeVideo, and I will have that up for you guys. We'll have to get into the class. So we will do that Thursday. So today I just want you to focus on making your slides. Thursday we'll get you into the WeVideo course and then let you start recording your presentation. And we'll talk more about the presentations tomorrow when I get back into class. So once again, we are working on our invention investigation presentation. What you need to have done by today is you need to have a topic, and it needs to be your only topic. We cannot have more than one people doing the same invention. So if someone's already taken yours, that's tough luck. You're going to have to find another one. After you've done that, start working on your slides. And then tomorrow we'll talk about presentation. Good luck. You guys will do great, and I'll see you back tomorrow in class.